Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, Case Study, Tourism New Zealand website. First 1 to 7 questions are to complete the table. Here on one side section of website is given, and on other side comments are written. First question is, about database of tourism services. Its first comment is, easy for tourism related businesses to get on the list. Second comment is, allowed business to something information regularly. व्यवसाय को कुछ जानकारी नियमित रूप से प्रदान करने की अनुमति दी गई. Let's see in the paragraph. In addition, because participating businesses were able to update the details they gave on a regular basis, इसके अलावा, क्योंकि भाग लेने वाले व्यवसाय अपनी दी गई जानकारी को नियमित रूप से अपडेट कर सकते थे, so its answer is, update. Next question is, provide a country-wide evaluation of businesses, including their impact on the something. देश भर में व्यवसायों का मूल्यांकन करें, जिसमें उनके किसी चीज पर प्रभाव को भी शामिल किया जाए. Let's see in the paragraph. Tourism New Zealand organized a scheme whereby organizations appearing on the website underwent an independent evaluation against a set of agreed national standards of quality. As part of this, the effect of each business on the environment was considered. Tourism New Zealand ने एक योजना आयोजित की, जिसके तहत वेबसाइट पर प्रदर्शित होने वाले संगठनों का स्वतंत्र मूल्यांकन किया गया, जो तय किए गए राष्ट्रीय गुणवत्ता मानकों के आधार पर था. इसके तहत प्रत्येक व्यवसाय के एनवायरनमेंट पर प्रभाव को भी ध्यान में रखा गया. So its answer is environment. Next is special features on local topics. Its comments are an interview with a former sports dash and an interactive tour of various locations used in dash. एक पूर्व खेल खिलाड़ी के साथ साक्षात्कार और उस खेल में उपयोग किए गए विभिन्न स्थानों का एक इंटरैक्टिव दौरा. Let's see in the paragraph. One of the most popular was an interview with former New Zealand All Blacks rugby captain Tana Umaga. So first answer is captain. Next, another feature that attracted a lot of attention was an interactive journey through a number of the locations chosen for blockbuster films. So next answer is films. Next question is, information on driving routes, varied depending on the something, कुछ पर निर्भर करते हुए भिन्न था. Let's see in the paragraph. To make it easier to plan motoring holidays, the site catalogued the most popular driving routes in the country, highlighting different routes according to the season and indicating distances and times. So its answer is season. Next question is, travel planner, including a map showing selected places, details of public transport and local something, चयनित स्थानों को दिखाने वाला एक नक्शा, सार्वजनिक परिवहन और स्थानीय कुछ का विवरण शामिल है. Let's see in the paragraph. There were also links to accommodation in the area. By registering with the website, users could save their travel plan and return to it later, or print it out to take on the visit. So its answer is accommodation. Next question is, your words, travelers could send a link to their something. यात्रियों को अपनी कुछ का लिंक भेजने की सुविधा थी. Let's see in the paragraph. The website also had a your words section where anyone could submit a blog. So its answer is blog. Next 8 to 13 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, the website www.newzealand.com aimed to provide ready-made itineraries and packages for travel companies and individual tourists. वेबसाइट www.newzealand.com का उद्देश्य यात्रा कंपनियों और व्यक्तिगत पर्यटकों के लिए तैयार यात्रा कार्यक्रम और पैकेज प्रदान करना था. Let's see in the paragraph. A key feature of the campaign was the website www.newzealand.com, which provided potential visitors to New Zealand with a single gateway to everything the destination had to offer. The heart of the website was a database of tourism services operators, both those based in New Zealand and those based abroad, which offered tourism services to the country. वेबसाइट का मूल था पर्यटन सेवा संचालकों का एक डेटाबेस, जिनमें न्यूजीलैंड में आधारित और विदेशों में आधारित दोनों प्रकार के संचालक शामिल थे, जो देश को पर्यटन सेवाएं प्रदान करते थे. So it's a false statement. Next question is, it was found that most visitors started searching on the website by geographical location. ये पाया गया कि अधिकांश आगंतुक वेबसाइट पर भौगोलिक स्थान के आधार पर खोज करना शुरू करते थे, but this is not given statement. Next question is, according to research, 26% of visitor satisfaction is related to their accommodation. अनुसंधान के अनुसार आगंतुक संतुष्टि का 26% उनका आवास से संबंधित है. Let's see in the paragraph. While transport and accommodation account for the remaining 26%, so 26% is for two, not only for housing, so its answer is false. Next question is, visitors to New Zealand like to become involved in the local culture. New Zealand में आने वाले visitors local culture में शामिल होना पसंद करते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. It has also been found that visitors enjoy cultural activities most when they are interactive, such as visiting a meeting ground to learn about traditional Maori life, so its answer is true. Next question is not given. Next to that is, many visitors feel it is unlikely that they will return to New Zealand after their visit. कई visitors को लगता है कि अपनी यात्रा के बाद उनके लिए न्यूजीलैंड वापस आना संभव नहीं है. Let's see in the paragraph. Because of the long-haul flight, most visitors stay for longer and want to see as much of the country as possible on what is often seen as a once-in-a-lifetime visit. So its answer is true. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.